Good evening, Dan Hunter here. I wanted to give a quick video about my Python coding game that I made on Coding Rooms. I decided to make a Mad Libs game. I used this model from this video tutorial right here. Basically, you write a story, print a story underneath, and above you put in some inputs that you ask your player, participant, whoever's doing the Mad Lib, to contribute. So I actually downloaded Python and started writing a little story about some animals looking for food. Got pretty goofy with a lot of different inputs. I definitely had to test out my program a couple times, ran into some errors, and had to fix the code a few times, but eventually got it down put with the inputs and putting the story together. I then put it into Coding Rooms, which was a great platform to both write the code and then run it in real time. I also wrote a little note for the students, for my other classmates, so that they could first play the Mad Lib, so that they could find the story for themselves, and then they could try to change the code and change the inputs, rather change the story and change the inputs, so that they could play around with a Mad Lib themselves and make a fun Mad Lib for themselves. I also made a quick rubric, which, after looking at the standards for computer science, just made a basic rubric, kind of combining the Python skills that I wanted to see from this activity, along with some of those computer science standards that we were seeing. So I had Python language practice, Python Mad Lib exploration, Python collaboration and inclusivity, and Python effort and growth, to kind of bring together a Python rubric and a computer science rubric. I'm excited for my classmates to try out my program and code in Classroom, and I'm excited to try theirs. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.